Now, trying to crack the music industry or getting a sporting career off the ground can be a tough business. So to give young people a helping hand, superannuation company Invidian putting $25,000 aside to support talent in the areas of music, sport or education. They're calling it the Academy of Dreams. To find out more, we're joined by Invidian Managing Director David Arnold in Melbourne. David, top of the morning to you. Very nice to have you with us on the show, and a top proposition, this one. Tell me, if you can, put into context, second year round right for this program. What happened last year? Who won it? What are they doing with the money?
Our first recipient of the Academy of Dreams was a Brisbane-based band called the Red Paintings. They had a special situation where they wanted to do their first album through fan sponsorship, basically. They wanted to free themselves from a contract from a major record label, and the Academy of Dreams program was able to put the last money towards that fan sponsorship so they could produce their first album.
What is it doing in this environment? Arguably, that's a really discretionary spend. How are they travelling in terms of that proposition in a business sense?
Well, what it's enabled us to do is to engage with younger people. We've launched our business Individuum with personal superannuation, which we know is a hard sell to young investors that may have 45 years of their life before they can access it. So it's enabled us to engage with that younger generation through the band and through the sponsorship program.
Is it something also that incorporates a little bit of business mentoring? Putting a lot of money out there for these young people, it creates a big expectation and a responsibility. How do you follow the money?
No, absolutely, Carson. It has been, obviously, for a band like the Red Paintings, without that record company overseeing them, there's been a lot of that from our perspective. Several executives within Individuum and IWF have been mentoring the lead singer and basically the business manager on how he should manage that money and how he should manage his career from a financial perspective.
People want to know, therefore, from a financial perspective, how much sort of security is there that you can bring about a return on that investment?
Well, I suppose, everything when it comes to sponsorship or above-the-line marketing has a long-term view. We know that it's enabled us to access a group of younger investors, but, we're not kidding ourselves that just because we've hooked up with the Red Paintings that they're going to sign up to superannuation. But, there's a lot of times in a young person's life, probably too many times, where they do make a superannuation decision. And we hope that when it comes to that decision, whether it's their first job, their second job or their third job, that they choose us as a provider.
Clock's ticking, is it not, on deadline for this year's nominations. What's the demand been like in terms of what's the interest been like, and from what sort of areas are you seeing this year the potential recipients applying from?
Well, we actually only opened up entries as of Tuesday, so it's pretty early to call. Look, we really probably won't look. I think entries close on the 25th of May, so there's a fair bit of time. We've had a fair bit of interest from music, and I think that's probably a carryover from, people have heard us attached to the Red Paintings, but we're hopeful that we get a broad spectrum across music, sport and education. So
if you want to apply, a website, just throw that out there and remind them of the deadline if you could.
Yep, academyofdreams.com.au, and the deadline is May the 15th.
David Arnold, Managing Director of Invidian, pleasure to have you with us. Many thanks.
Thanks, Carson.
All right.